just going to hand over a cheque of £1,000 to Dorothy Parks Community Centre. And the team here, Rob and all the volunteers here, have done such a great job. They're a shining example of just how good community gardening can be to the locals that live around the outside. What do you reckon, guys? Yeah! Yay!
Community gardening just brings so many different benefits, physical health, mental health, meeting new people, making new friends, learning new skills, feeling part of a community. And you actually see progression, you see things grow, you can take it home, you can eat it, you can share it. So yeah, just a fantastic thing to do.
I look after my dad, he's got dementia, so once I walk through that gate, I leave everything behind and all my worries behind, and I can just come in here and just be myself and just, you know, feel a bit freer, and it just winds me down because it's quite stressful looking after somebody with dementia. So you just come in here and you're in your own little world, and you're learning all the time as well, and doing the hard work and the nasty jobs and the good jobs. It's just a relief.
To see what I've kind of planted a few months ago, and it's kind of just beginning to sprout, and just gives you hope that, you know, you come here and there's still that hope no matter what the weather. Just take that first step, that one step, like even if you're unsure, just take that step and just volunteer at the community allotments, and you'll be amazed what things it does for your mental well-being.
They give us stuff to take home. I've had potatoes and like lettuces. I mean, I couldn't believe the different taste from the shop, I bought from the shop to here. And it's just nice, like me and Dad can have a nice salad sandwich, which I've literally just left the gate, you know, just gone home and then just done us a sandwich, and it's nice and fresh. So that's a little bonus.
It's absolutely amazing, yeah, a real surprise, but we're absolutely delighted. Just want to say a big thank you to the Cultivation Street and David for this accolade and for the award of the money, which will go a long way in helping us improve the site further.